Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning. Today we're going to talk about all the prep work we've done over the last week on the Miata. Let's start with the front bumper. We got the front bumper off. We're going to repaint that because of that wood chip we pointed out in the last video. Yuck. Dan's getting in here. He wants to get his hands dirty. He wants to be a participant of the Crown Rally North vehicle.
Beyond just coordinating.
What we're hoping to do is respray this thing, because my goodness. That's not good, that's not good, that's not good.
The dents aren't gonna come out.
I'm getting filler. I bought some filler.
Yeah.
What is good is an intercooler, because you know what that means? Turbo. And then also got the rear finisher panel off.
Something came out. I guess it just pulls up.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we didn't break anything, I don't think.
What is this?
And that's how you remove your rear rocker panel. We were intending to paint it, but ended up hand polishing it, and it looks pretty good. Dan started polishing the whole car, and that looks pretty good. I started re-welding the exhaust because this muffler is just too gosh darn quiet, and we want to, you know, drive 1,500 miles with drone. Too quiet with 2.5-inch piping, and I was too lazy to do 3-inch piping. So this is what it sounds like with the Miata Turbo recommended magnaflow muffler.
And cat.
And a cat. Pretty quiet, okay?
Should we start it?
Here's what it sounds like, straight pipe with a catalytic converter. The cat has been kind of close to the transmission tunnel, so I wanted to put a little 45er on there. Or I don't know, a little kink, I guess. So I cut a 45 in half and then twisted it around. This way it comes off the downpipe here, scoots away from the trans tunnel, and then also sets the cat in line with where the heat shield is, and hopefully it'll keep my feet from getting too warm. So we got this smaller muffler. I started welding that up yesterday. Got the exhaust welded up. Still need to put a tip on the end, but I think our clearance is gonna be pretty decent. I got better clearance on my catalytic converter. It's further back where the heat shields are. Hopefully the driver's side footwell doesn't get as hot anymore. But now we gotta fire this baby up. So with that, today I have to fix these relief cuts that I made, and I noticed that it was leaking where this meets the downpipe, so I had to re-weld because I made the relief cuts a little too deep. But now I need to get rid of the excess material that's on the inside because they won't slide together far enough anymore. First things first, coffee and safety glasses.
I'm serious about this stuff.
All right, will it all slide in now? Oh yeah. All right, I don't want to do this. How do we want to do this? Something like this gonna work. You go like ooh. You gotta cut it like Let's see how she do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was starting to wonder why my wells were looking like doo-doo. Turns out 2 full exhausts, you'll burn through a 40-pound bottle of argon. But that was pretty much the last well. I was gonna maybe weld a little tip on the end because this doesn't quite stick past the bumper. But good stopping point. Mount the exhaust back on. And then I might tackle the brakes or finish up the fender that Dan hasn't completed yet. We're all welded up. What I'm doing here is a nanoskin auto scrub, basically a clay bar. Jeez Louise. What? This is why it's nice to have tools. I don't know what kind of animal tightened that last. But I want to get the dirt out of here, so I'm going to spray that off with some brake clean. Alright, now I can compress. Alright, and it stopped. Get a little grease on the back of the pad. And grease up our 14. Thing's got some high temp grease. We've got a clean rotor. We'll torque everything down and then do the other side, and then I'm gonna also do the rear. Same process basically. Bleed them, get some fresh fluid in there, and hopefully this thing will rock on Crown Rally. Stay tuned for Crown Rally. If it hasn't already happened, link in description.